giving me this beautiful picture which shows that this is how I always show gratitude to the nature. And it's also sign of giving up, that I'm sorry, I was wrong when I tried to change something, and now I have learned that it's not possible. I have to accept it, admit it, and go with the flow of life. Because there are many people came before me who tried, failed, and gone. And I don't want to be someone like that, or someone like them, who is trying and failing and just living. But I want to accept it, give up to the nature, that nature, I'm sorry, I'm here to show gratitude. You have given me so many things, abundance of body. My body is one of the biggest examples. Your body is one of the biggest examples. The relationship we have right now is one of the biggest examples. Let me give you a quick example. Last weekend, we as a family were driving on a road, and me and my wife, we were discussing, imagine there is nobody on the road. You own everything and you are the only one driving all the way to kilometers and kilometers. How would that life be? Miserable, right? So we need not money or places or land, but people. When we see people, look at them, they're doing some naughty stuff or something, nothing even, we feel connected. We feel like, okay, there is life. It's not only about our life, it's about people's life. So this sign is something what I always follow, to thank God, thank Allah Almighty, thank the nature for giving us so much. I cannot even name. This is how expensive I am by the grace of Almighty. Thank you so much. Always be thankful for what you have, not for what you are expecting. Try hard. If it comes, great. If it does not come, it's good for you. It's good for me. Thank you so much, Mrs. Topics Master. Back to you.